Discovering your unique strengths and positive traits is essential for boosting your confidence and overcoming feelings of inferiority. If you feel like you're not good at anything, challenge yourself to list the things you are competent at handling or feel most confident taking on, however small, asking friends and family for their perspective if necessary. The reality is that you are pretty great at a lot of things. You just might not have found your strong suits yet. Reflect on past experiences to identify areas in which you excelled or patterns showing where you have room to improve. Trying new things, helping others, and investing time in refining skills are all effective ways to uncover hidden strengths. Avoid the trap of constantly comparing yourself to others, as this can lead to feelings of inadequacy. Taking feedback and reframing mistakes as growth opportunities will also help you on your way to realizing your full potential and achieving success.